Hey again, smoothie lovers! Welcome back to the second installment of our fiber-rich smoothie series. If you joined us in part 1, you've already discovered 10 mouth-watering recipes bursting with flavor and fiber. But guess what? We're not done yet. Today, we're diving right back in with 10 more delicious creations that will nourish your body, support your digestive system, and keep your taste buds dancing. So grab your blender, make yourself comfortable, and let's continue our journey to becoming fiber masters, one sip at a time. And if you haven't seen the first 10 recipes, don't forget to check them out too. Let's jump right into recipe number 11, the Carrot Orange Immunity Smoothie. Have you ever wanted to start your morning with a burst of sunshine in a glass? This bright orange smoothie might just be the uplifting treat you need. It's packed with nutrients that'll have your immune system doing cartwheels, if immune systems could do cartwheels, of course. You'll love it, because carrots aren't just good for your eyes. They also come loaded with insoluble fiber to support digestion. Oranges bring a pop of tanginess, along with vitamin C and soluble fiber to help keep your immune defenses strong. Turmeric is your anti-inflammatory sidekick, helping combat oxidative stress and possibly giving you a little extra glow. Here are the ingredients. 1 medium carrot, peeled and chopped. 1 juicy orange, peeled and segmented. Half an inch piece of fresh turmeric root, or half a teaspoon of ground turmeric. Half a cup Greek yogurt or a dairy-free alternative, and half a cup water or coconut water. To blend, add the carrot and water to your blender first, blending until the carrot is well processed. Then, add the orange, turmeric, and yogurt. Blend again until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy the uplifting flavors. Moving on to number 12, we have the Blueberry Banana Flax Smoothie. Let's talk about a flavor combo that never fails, blueberry and banana. But we're giving it a little twist by sprinkling in some extra nutrient power, because life's too short for boring smoothies. You'll love it because blueberries have long been hailed as antioxidant superstars, and they're also packed with fiber to keep your tummy happy. Banana adds natural sweetness, resistant starch, and a creamy texture that'll make you think you're having dessert. Flaxseed is like the unsung hero of the smoothie world, providing soluble and insoluble fibers, plus omega-3s for good measure. The ingredients are half a cup fresh blueberries, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, 1 cup soy milk, or your preferred milk alternative, and half a teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Combine all ingredients in your blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and savor the familiar yet enhanced flavors. Next up, we have number 13, the Chickpea Mango Fusion Smoothie. Chickpeas in a smoothie might sound a little wild, but trust me, if you've ever had dessert hummus, you know these legumes can be sweet, smooth, and oh so satisfying. You'll love it because chickpeas are a fantastic source of both soluble and insoluble fibers, as well as protein, promoting satiety and supporting your digestive health. They also contain resistant starch, which acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Mango adds natural sweetness, vitamins, and additional fiber. Orange juice provides vitamin C and enhances iron absorption from the chickpeas. The ingredients are half a cup cooked chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 cup fresh mango chunks, 1 cup fresh orange juice, and 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup. To blend, add the chickpeas and orange juice first and blend until smooth. Then, add the mango and sweetener if you're using it. Blend again until creamy. Pour into a glass and prepare to be pleasantly surprised. Now, let's move on to number 14, the Strawberry Quinoa Dream Smoothie. This dreamy smoothie combines the sweetness of strawberries with the wholesome goodness of quinoa. You'll love it because strawberries are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, supporting immune function and heart health. Quinoa adds both soluble and insoluble fibers, as well as complete protein, aiding in digestion and providing sustained energy. Here are the ingredients. Half a cup cooked and cooled quinoa, 1 cup fresh strawberries, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, and 1 tablespoon pure maple syrup. Place the quinoa, strawberries, almond milk, and maple syrup into your blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy the delightful flavors. All right, we're ready to jump into number 15, the Avocado Spinach Power Smoothie. Power up your day with this nutrient-dense green smoothie that's as delicious as it is energizing. You'll love it because avocado provides healthy fats and both types of fiber, promoting heart health and keeping you satisfied. Spinach is rich in insoluble fiber and essential nutrients like iron and magnesium. Green apple adds pectin, a soluble fiber that supports gut health and helps regulate your blood sugar levels. The ingredients are 1/2 ripe avocado, 1 cup fresh spinach leaves, 1 green apple, cored and chopped, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, and 1 cup cold water or coconut water. Add the avocado, spinach, apple, lemon juice, and water to your blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and feel its power. On to number 16, our next fiber friend is the Kiwi Parsley Refresher Smoothie. Refresh your palate and invigorate your senses with this unique and delightful smoothie. You'll love it because kiwi offers both soluble and insoluble fibers, aiding digestion and supporting gut health. Parsley isn't just a garnish. It's rich in insoluble fiber and antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids, which reduce oxidative stress. Pear adds more pectin, promoting digestive health and satiety. The ingredients are 2 ripe kiwis, peeled, a generous handful of fresh parsley leaves, 1 green pear, cored and chopped, and 1 cup chilled coconut water. Place the kiwis, parsley, pear, and coconut water in your blender. Blend until smooth and well combined. Enjoy the refreshing flavors. Now, let's talk about number 17, the Cranberry Beet Heartbeat Smoothie. Give your heart some love with this vibrant and nutrient-rich smoothie. You'll love it because cranberries are high in antioxidants and have compounds that support urinary tract health. Beetroot provides nitrates that can help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow, along with insoluble fiber for digestive health. Pomegranate juice adds a potent dose of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. The ingredients are 1/2 cup fresh cranberries, 1 small beetroot, peeled and chopped, 1 red apple, cored and chopped, and 1 cup pomegranate juice, preferably fresh. Blend the beetroot and pomegranate juice first until smooth. Then add the cranberries and apple. Blend again until well combined, and that's it. Cheers to a healthier heart. Our next health champion is number 18, the Blackberry Mint Revitalizer Smoothie. Revitalize your senses with this refreshing and delightful smoothie that's perfect for any time of day. You'll love it because blackberries are rich in fiber and antioxidants, supporting digestive health and reducing inflammation. Mint aids digestion and adds a refreshing flavor. Chia seeds boost the fiber content, promoting a feeling of satiety and stable blood sugar levels. The ingredients are 1 cup fresh blackberries, a handful of fresh mint leaves, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup plain Greek yogurt or a plant-based alternative, and honey or agave nectar to taste. Combine the blackberries, mint leaves, chia seeds, yogurt, and sweetener in your blender. Blend until smooth and garnish with a sprig of mint if you like, and enjoy the revitalizing flavors. Next up, we have number 19, the Banana Oat Flax Power Smoothie. Fuel your morning with this hearty and satisfying smoothie that keeps you energized for hours. You'll love it because rolled oats are a great source of soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which helps lower cholesterol levels and supports heart health. Banana adds resistant starch and potassium, which aids digestion and heart function. Flaxseed provides both soluble and insoluble fibers and omega-3 fatty acids, supporting digestive health and reducing inflammation. The ingredients are 1 ripe banana, 1/4 cup rolled oats, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, and a pinch of cinnamon. Blend the rolled oats and almond milk first to help the oats break down. Then add the banana, flaxseed, and cinnamon. Blend until smooth and creamy and enjoy the comforting flavors. Finally, number 20 is the Triple Berry Quinoa Smoothie Bowl. Elevate your smoothie experience with this hearty and beautiful smoothie bowl. You'll love it because the berries, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, provide a mix of soluble and insoluble fibers, antioxidants, and vitamins. Quinoa adds protein and both types of fiber, promoting digestive health and keeping you full. Toppings like sliced banana, chia seeds, sliced almonds, or shredded coconut add extra fiber, are healthy fats, and crunch, making this not just a smoothie, but a complete, balanced meal. The ingredients are 1/2 cup cooked and cooled quinoa, 1/2 cup fresh strawberries, 1/2 cup fresh blueberries, 1/2 cup fresh raspberries, 1 cup coconut milk or almond milk, and optional toppings such as sliced banana, chia seeds, sliced almonds, or shredded coconut. Blend the quinoa, berries, and coconut milk until thick and smooth. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and top with your favorite crunchy add-ons. Grab a spoon and enjoy a hearty, fiber-packed breakfast you can really sink your teeth into. Before you blend away, keep a few tips in mind. Feel free to customize your smoothies by swapping out ingredients based on your preferences or what's available. While these smoothies use natural sugars from fruits, be mindful of your overall sugar intake, especially if you're watching your blood sugar levels. If you're new to a high-fiber diet, introduce these smoothies gradually to give your digestive system time to adjust. And remember to stay hydrated throughout the day to help fiber do its job effectively. If you have health conditions like diabetes or digestive disorders, please consult a healthcare provider who knows you personally before making any significant changes to your diet. Incorporating these high-fiber smoothies into your daily routine is a delicious and convenient way to boost your nutrient intake, support healthy blood sugar levels, and improve bowel movement. Each recipe is thoughtfully crafted to provide a harmonious blend of flavors and a cohesive array of health benefits. So dust off that blender and start exploring these delightful recipes. If you enjoyed this journey through the world of high-fiber smoothies, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health tips. As always, we fight misinformation by providing strictly science-backed content with references. Check them out and share any thoughts or questions you may have. Here's to blending your way to better health. Cheers!